workplace wellness has traditionally been approached. For many years, wellness was viewed mainly as an HR responsibility, focused on employee assistance programs, wellness days, health screenings, fitness initiatives, and stress management workshops. These interventions are valuable and they often provide meaningful support. However, they do not always address the root causes of organizational challenges. Consider burnout. Many organizations respond with resilience training, mindfulness programs, or counseling. While these may help employees cope, they may not resolve the underlying causes. If burnout is being created by excessive workloads, poor leadership, unrealistic expectations, constant change, or unhealthy workplace cultures, the key insight is this. Employee well-being cannot be separated from organizational well-being. A healthy employee working within an unhealthy system will eventually be affected by that system.